Hello friends, we have very interesting question from JEE Main 2019 paper. We have to integrate 2x cube minus 1 by x power 4 plus x. When you see this question, what is the first thought that comes into your mind? Just observe this question. At least some of you definitely will be able to realize that derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube, but I have at least x cube in the numerator, and derivative of x is 1, though I have minus 1 here. So when you observe this much, most of you will definitely be able to think that integration of f dash x by fx dx, that is derivative or denominator is present in the numerator, then answer is log mod denominator, log mod f of x plus c. Now when you think this and when you read the options, obviously in JEE Main you will read the option also, right? So when you read the option, you will observe that all 4 options is having log. So your idea got backing, right? Now we just need to make sure that this idea is implemented very nicely. Observe here पर we cannot apply it directly, so we have to use some technique, some trick to apply it. So the technique is very simple. If I just divide numerator and denominator by x square, dividing numerator and denominator by x square, what we get? Observe, we have 2x cube minus 1 in the numerator, right? So if I divide 2x cube by x square, 2x cube by x square, only 2x will be left, 1 upon x square. In denominator, we have x power 4, dividing by x square, we get x square, and x divided by x square, we are left with 1 by x. Don't you think problem is solved? Observe, derivative of x square 2x है numerator में, derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square है numerator में. So what to do? Just apply the formula. What is my formula? Log mod denominator. What is denominator? X square plus 1 by x plus c. But ये मैच नहीं हो रहा है, right? किसी भी ऑप्शन से ये मैच नहीं हो रहा है. एक छोटा सा स्टेप, we just cross multiply, simplify, x cube plus 1 by x plus c. Now if you observe, ये match हो गया with my option number C. So my answer is option number C is my answer. Very simple. Okay? And if I can make you understand this question in around 2.5 minutes, definitely you will be able to solve this in exam in 2 minutes. Easy question hai. Make sure learn it in the right way.